Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now by ensuring power and connectivity so the update won't fail. Plug in the charger if battery is under half and join a reliable Wi-Fi network. Updates are large. Once connected, open Settings, tap General, then Software Update. That's the screen where iOS checks Apple servers. You do this first because the phone must download the package. While it checks, glance at available updates and estimated size so you know how long the download will take. Once the update appears, tap Download and Install and enter your passcode when asked. That authorizes the change. The device will download files in the background. You can use the phone but keep Wi-Fi on. Make sure you have enough free storage. If not, remove large apps or media. After download, tap Install Now or schedule it for overnight. You should read the release notes. They explain what's fixed and why installing improves security and performance. You finish by letting the iPhone restart. Don't interrupt this. The device will show progress and then boot into the updated system. Once done, verify settings right arrow general right arrow about to confirm the new iOS version. If the update fails or gets stuck, first make sure Wi-Fi is stable and retry the download. If it still hangs, do a force restart and try again. As a last resort, connect to a computer and use recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.